My name is Gavin Buckley. I'm the Mayor of the City of Annapolis. Annapolis is 38,000 people. It's the capital of Maryland. As a Mayor, public safety is paramount. I think that smart technologies are going to be key, and you need to have your city on the forefront of that sort of stuff, so you need to embrace new ideas. And so FirstNet gives us another layer that we can even bring greater protection to the community.
My name is Sergeant Ricky Truitt, and I'm with the Annapolis City Police Department. Here in the city, being the state capital and having multiple law enforcement agencies, not only at the local and state level, but especially at the federal and national level, it is paramount that at any time we receive priority network connectivity and priority connection. Whether it's a governor's inauguration, a presidential visit, a diplomat visit, or a United States Naval Academy home football game where the population grows by tens of thousands, that network connectivity and that reliability, it'll be there for us, and that's very important for us here in the city of Annapolis.
My name is Edwin Jackson. I'm the Chief of Police for the city of Annapolis. The world has changed. You have to keep pace with technology. Police officers are faced with challenges that I wasn't faced with a generation ago. What FirstNet provides is the ability for officers to communicate with all stakeholders, whether you're talking about public works, whether we're talking about the Office of Emergency Management, any city or state agency, it gives them the ability to communicate with them in real time.
So here in our Public Works Department, it's very important to have situational awarenesses during our emergencies. So our Public Works trucks, like the plow truck behind me, being out there, knowing where they are, connected, receiving reports from our emergency operations centers is paramount to being able to provide quality service to our citizens here in Annapolis.
Reliable communications for first responders is essential in getting the job done. This city has experienced some pretty tragic events, so any tools that we can give them to make them more efficient is such a good thing.
It's almost like a fusion center. I think the successful police manager has to understand that one of our tools to make sure that we're providing the services that we are sworn to provide is technology. Technology is key.
I say this all the time: when you're safe at home in bed and you hear that siren outside your door, it is a first responder running towards danger so that we don't have to. These guys see things that a lot of the public don't have to see in order to protect us. So whatever we can do to make their job easier, we should be doing. So communication and getting to the trouble as fast as possible and being able to bring resources to the situation as quick as possible is key.